Hi everyone, I'm Carl Miguel F. Usi from BSCE 1. Today, I'd like to discuss the lesson 6 in Physics 124. Freely falling bodies. When we say freely falling bodies, ang isang motion daw natin ng object ay nagsasubject para makapag-influence ng gravity. G is equals to 9.81 meter per second squared. So, proceed tayo sa example natin. A fruit drops from a tree and falls to the ground 3.15 meter below. A. How much time does it take for the fruit to reach the ground? B. What is the fruit speed just before it hits the ground? So, draw lang natin figure natin. Y sub 0 is equals to 0. A equals to G. So, y is equals to 3.15 meter. 3.15 meter. Ang height natin, meron tayong height na positive, downward. Height. B sub 0 is equals to 0. So, try lang natin ito. A y equals to y sub 0 plus dot plus 1/2 gt squared. Cancel natin itong y sub 0, 0. Then b sub 0, t, cancel din natin 0. So, y sub 0 is equals to 0. b sub 0 equals to 0. So, y is equals to 1/2 gt squared. So, 2y over g equals sa gt squared all over g. Then b ay square root of t equals to square root of 2y all over g. Then t is equals to square root of 2y all over g. And then t is equals to square root of 2 tapos 3.15 meter divide mo siya sa all over 9.81 meters. So, ang t natin dyan is meron tayong by calculating, meron tayong 8.801 seconds. So, ito yung isagot natin sa letter A. Sabi nga di ba sa letter A, how much time that it take for the fruit to reach the ground? So, ulit tayo sa letter B naman. Letter B. B sub 0 equals to B sub 0 plus gt. So, b squared equals sa b sub 0 plus 2gy. So, ang b natin dyan is meron tayong 9.81 meter per second squared. Then meron tayong 8.801 seconds. So, B by calculating meron tayong 7.86 meter per second. Meter per second. So B squared equal siya sa square root of 2 g change of y. And then B squared equals sa 2gy equals naman siya sa square root of 2 tapos 9 divide mo sa 9.81 meter per seconds then divide mo siya sa 3.15 by calculating meron tayong 7.86 meter per second. So, same lang dito sa una nating ginawa dito na sinod natin. Then, same lang din dito. So, ang naging total na sagot natin sa letter B, 7.86 meter per second. Diba sabi nga, gano'ng kabilis yung pagbaba ng fruit para ma-hit yung ground.